So exercise 30.2, question number 1. Question number 1 says, when f such that x into 4x plus 3, that means we can write f of x equal to 4x plus 3. Now the question says solve f of x equal to 5. So here question number A says we need to solve the value of x when f of x equal to 5. So look, f of x equal to 5, that means we can say 4x plus 3 can be written as 5, or 4x can be written as 5 minus 3, or 4x can be written as 5 minus 3 will be 2, or x can be written as 2 divided by 4 equal to 1 by 2. So this is the first question. Question number B says find f inverse x. So to find out f inverse x, let f of x equal to 4x plus 3 equal to y. Or here we can write this one as f of x equal to y, or 4x plus 3 equal to y. So if f of x equal to y, then x can be written as f inverse y. If 4x plus 3 equal to y, then x can be written as in that way, 4x equal to y minus 3. So x will be y minus 3 by 4. If I compare these two equations, then we can write instead of x, f inverse y. So f inverse y can be written as y minus 3 by 4, or f inverse x can be written as x minus 3 by 4. Done. Now, question number C says, use f inverse x to find f inverse 5. So here, instead of x, we will put 5. So f inverse 5 will be 5 minus 3 by 4. 5 minus 3, that will be 2. So 2 by 4 will be 1 by. Now, question number 2. Question number 2 says, when g of x equal to 6 minus 2x, then first job is to find out g inverse x. Then question number B says use g inverse x to find g inverse 4 and check your work by substituting your answer into g of. Here, look at this 2a. G of x is given, that is g of x equal to 6 minus 2x. Then we need to find out the expression for g inverse x. Okay, so at first let g of x equal to 6 minus 2x equal to y. Then we can write two equations from here. One is g of x equal to y, and another one is 6 minus 2x equal to y. So if g of x equal to y, then x can be written as g inverse y. Okay. And if 6 minus 2x equal to y, then we can write minus 2x equal to y minus 6, or x can be written as y minus 6 by minus 2. Can be written as 6 minus y by 2. Okay. So x equal to 6 minus y by 2. Now, what is x? We have already find out x equal to g inverse y. So instead of x, we need to input that x means g inverse y. Okay. G inverse y equal to 6 minus y by 2. Then what will be g inverse x? G inverse x will be 6 minus x by 2. Okay. So this is g inverse x. Now, question number B. Question number B says we need to find out g inverse 4. So g inverse 4. Okay. So here if we put the value of x as a 4, then the inverse function will be 6 minus 4 by 2. What is 6 minus 4? 6 minus 4 will be 2. So 2 by 2 will be 1. Now, number 3 says, when h such that x into 3 into x minus 6, find h inverse x. That means here h of x equal to 3 into x minus 6 equal to y. So let h of x equal to 3 into x minus 6 equal to y. Now we need to find out inverse x, h inverse x. So here question number A. H of x equal to y, then x will be h inverse y. Okay, this is the first part. Second part, 3 into x, that is thrice x minus 18 equal to y. Then thrice x equal to y plus 18. Then the value of x will be y plus 18 by 3. Now, what is, if we compare these two equations, then we can say instead of x, we can put h inverse y. So h inverse y will be y plus 18 by 3. But the question asked me to find out h inverse x. So instead of y, we will put x. So h inverse x will be x plus 18 by 3. So this is question number A. Now question number B. Question number B says h inverse 9. H inverse 9. So instead of x, we will put 9. So 9 plus 18 by 3. 9 plus 18, 27. So 27 by 3 will be 9. Done. And question number C says h inverse 0. So instead of x, we will put 0. 0 plus 18 by 3. So 18 by 3 will be 6. And this is the solution of question number 3. Now, next question. Question number 4. Question number 4 says, when f of x equal to 2x plus 1 by 5, find f inverse x, f inverse 3, f inverse 4 by 5. So here we can say let f of x equal to 2x plus 1 by 5 equal to y. Here we can write from this equation f of x equal to y and 2x plus 1 by 5 equal to y. So if f of x equal to y, then x can be written as f inverse y. Here we can find out x in this way. 2x plus 1 can be written as 5 into y, 5. Or 2x equal to 5y minus 1. Then the value of x will be 5y minus 1 by 2. So if we compare these two equations here, then instead of x, we can put f inverse y. So here f inverse y will be 5y minus 1 by 2. But we need to find out f inverse x. So instead of y, we will put x. So it will be 5x minus 1 by 2. Done. Now we need to find out f inverse 3. So here, how can we find out f inverse 3? Instead of x, we will put 3 here. So here, 5 into, instead of x, we will put 3 minus 1 by 2. So 5 3 is a 15 minus 1. That will be 14. 14 by 2 will be 7. And question number C, f inverse 4 by 5. So what will be the answer? 5 multiplied by, instead of x, we will put 4 by 5. 4 by 5 minus 1 by 2. So we can cancel 5 and 5. So we'll get 4 minus 1 by 2 or 3 by 2. And that is our answer.